Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. I thought it'd be super fun to hop on today and do an advent calendar unboxing 2022. This is a advent calendar 2022 from Sephora. So I have it right here. It's called the Wishing You advent calendar, and this does retail for $45, but it has over $100 worth of makeup and skincare goodies inside from Sephora. So I figured it'd be really fun if we could go through it, see what's inside, and then hopefully you will see if this is a good option for you to purchase or to purchase as a gift this holiday season. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so what you do is you slide it out like so. So then it opens up like a book. Oh, how beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful pop-up inside. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, now here is day one. So let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. And oh my gosh, you guys, are you kidding me? This is a beauty sponge. But can I just tell you, I have been experimenting or just playing with all my beauty sponges lately, and I have come to realize that, and I was actually going to come and share this with you beauties like in a favorites video, but I have a sponge like this already, and I cannot tell you how much I love it. So it has it looks almost like, I don't know how to describe it. It looks like a little character of some kind, a little minion, right? But it has the indentation in the middle. Now, you know, at first I really wasn't sure what that was all about. You know, who knows why. There's so many beauty products out there. But then the more I used it, I was coming to realize that it was hugging my under eye so beautifully, hugging the cheek area. And it just is so beautiful, this shape. So I'm so happy that I got another one now, because this shape is my favorite, and it just really hugs all of the contours of your face when it has that indentation like that. And then the tip is kind of elongated so you can work it under your eyes. I'm really happy I got this. Let's just put it that way, because I only have one, and I've been using it and loving the one that I have, and I was actually thinking I should get another one because I love it so much. Anywho, let's go ahead and keep it moving on to day two. So day two is all the way over here, and this box is really big, so that's why I'm putting it on my arm. Okay, let's go ahead and open day two. It's on this side over here. Okay, there's nothing. You guys, it's empty. Day two is empty. All right, it probably fell. It probably fell. You know how it is with these doors, things fall behind. I don't know where it is, guys. We'll have to come back to that, because did it fall or what? I can't find it. There's something in there, but is that the next day? I'm like just digging and digging. Okay, is that like the next? Oh, I don't know, guys. This might be day 7. I don't know. I just was like digging underneath. Okay, but it's a pin, I think. Oh no, but there's no back to it. Okay, so I don't know what this is. So it says Sephora. Is it a magnet? It looks like a pin, but there's no, you know, thing to stick it into the fabric on the back. So what is it? I have no idea, you guys. I have no. Maybe there's more to it. Let's put that away to the side for a moment, because maybe it fell. Maybe there's a little bottom piece to it. Okay, we'll have to get back to that. So I'll have to get back. Okay, so let's go ahead and look for day 3. Here's day 3 again on the other side. And oh, okay. Oh, look at this, guys. Tape. So when you do your eyeshadow, you can put it on your face and get a nice clean sharp edge. So that's really nice. I love the blue color. Okay, let's go ahead now and get into day 4. So, ooh, beautiful shimmer shadow. This is from Sephora brand. Look how beautiful and sparkly that is. So can't wait to use that. And then here is day 5 back on the other side. So here we go. Here we go to day 5. And let's see, what is that? Sephora brand Big by Definition. Is this their mascara? I think this is the Sephora mascara, which I saw in store, and it looked amazing. So, oh, it is the one I saw. I saw the before and after pictures in store, and I really wanted to get it, but I'm trying not to buy if I already have. So I said, wait till I use what I have, and then I'll come back and buy that. So now I could try that out. I'll be back. We'll try it out together. So then let's get into, let's see here, day number 6 on the other side. And what is it? Oh, it's a Sephora sheet mask, caffeine eye mask. I love the Sephora eye masks. They're actually my favorite. So this is awesome. This is amazing because I just think Sephora eye masks are the best. I don't know what it is. I just love them. Out of all the eye masks that I've tried, and they're like $3, so they're, you know, they're not expensive, and they're the best out of all the ones. And I've tried ones that are like $50. Let's keep it moving. Now that was day, what was that day? Now I forgot. I forgot what day it was. Day 7. Okay, that was day 6, and now here is day 7. Oh, look at this. See, you know what must have happened? Oh, things must have fell. Because day 7 is all the way down here. I bet things are falling and they're going down into day 7, because day 7 is a hydrator, all-day hydration from Sephora brand, which I've heard that Sephora skincare is amazing, so I'm really excited to try that. And then here is a Sephora lip pencil, which I have tried, and they are really amazing as well. So that's a really nice red color, really nice and festive for the holidays, right? So here is day 8. And so here is Sephora Cotton Flower Creamy Body Wash. Oh, let's see what that smells like. You just snap it open. Oh, it smells really nice. It smells like soap. It does smell like kind of like an ivory soap, a Dove soap. So that's really pretty. But now here is day number 9. Let's keep it moving. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Oh, here's a red lip. Now, Sephora liquid lipsticks are so long lasting. They're so amazing. And look at how beautiful this color is. Super festive. So this will pair beautifully with the lip liner that they gave us. So I'm so excited, guys. How gorgeous. It's like a perfect match. I was going to look at the name of the shade, but I don't think that's going to happen because it's very, I can't read it. But yeah, I've had other Sephora liquid lipsticks and they're amazing. So can't wait to try that one. And so what was that? I think that was day number 9. Oh, I just realized this is a 24-day calendar because I have another advent calendar I'm going to be unboxing, Charlotte Tilbury, and that's only 12 days. A lot of advent calendars are only 12 days. But this advent calendar, I just realized, 24 dates. Amazing for $45. So, okay, let's see now. We just did, what did we just do? 9. We just did 9, so let's go ahead and do 10. So where is she? Oh, here she is. She's hiding on us, you guys. So, ooh, another I hope this is another eye mask because I love, like I said, I love the eye mask. Oh, this one is a face mask, but it's the watermelon version, which I love their watermelon skincare products. So I can't wait to try this. I'm sure it's going to be amazing as the eye masks. Because you know what I really love about them? They melt down into your skin. They don't move. Other sheet masks, they're always eye masks. They're always sliding down my face. And it's just annoying, you know? And then I'm like, oh, it's not working on my eyes. They'll slide all over. But the Sephora ones, I don't know how they do it. They stay put. And then you feel them dry up and you feel all of the product go into your skin. So, and then I see a difference as well. So I'm really excited to use that face mask. So now here is day number 11. And now, would you guys open day by day, or would you do like me and open all at once? Let me know down below. But here's another, oh, here's Sephora brand eye cream. This is a brightening eye cream. Can't wait to try that. And here is, let's see, where is day 12? Let's see what it is, you guys. Yeah, it's, you know what, it's empty. Because I think, like I said, things are falling. So let's go ahead and get into day 13. Oh, it's the emery board. Cute, cute, cute. Very nice travel size. And everything is this beautiful, you know, shades. This beautiful color for the holidays. I think it's so different. Blue and gold and red. It's so different. I love that. So then, what was that, guys? 13. So let's get into day 14. I think this is another sheet mask. Oh, this is a nose strip. I've never tried that. I will try that tonight. So that's Sephora brand nose strips. That's 14. So where is 15? Oh, here's 15. Another eyeshadow. This one is matte. Beautiful kind of nude toned shade. Very, very nice, beautiful transition color that you can wear in your crease. And that will look beautiful actually with that sparkle eyeshadow. So they're kind of giving you a whole look here because you could do that eye with the red lip and that will look so beautiful. So that's really nice curated makeup look in here for you. And then here is day 16. This is the Sephora face wipes, hemp cleansing wipes. So can't wait to use that. I love this. You know, this is so nice because you can put this in your purse, in your makeup bag, and have it with you on the go. So I love that. I've never seen these before. So let's get into day 17 now, you guys. Ooh, what is this? This looks like a nail polish. It's a clear coat. This one is a gel effect top coat. So can't wait to try that. Let's see here. What day was that, guys? Was that 17? Yeah, that was 17. So here is 18. It is a lip mask, cherry lip mask. You know, this stuff is so good. You could definitely make yourself little stockings for multiple loves in your life, beauty lovers in your life, and put like 3 things in each stocking, break it up. That would be amazing, because these, you know, you could give someone a sheet mask and a mascara and something else, and make a nice, make a few bundles with these. And so here, that was 6, was that 16? No, that was 18. So here is 19. This is another body wash. This one is called Monoi Creamy Body Wash. Let's see what this smells like. Oh, this one I like better. This one smells maybe a little bit more tropical, coconut type of essence to it. So this smells really good. I can't wait. So anyway, guys, that is day 19. Look at this. This thing is a hot mess. I just might as well rip the paper right off. Okay, that was 19. Let's just do, yeah, I'm ripping actually off the whole page now. You guys, stop. Look at how beautiful this is. This was just in, what, day 20? Oh my, and it matches my outfit. It's so soft. Teddy bear scrunchie. I love scrunch. I love to wear scrunchies as like an accessory, as like jewelry almost. Isn't that cute? Wow. And it's so soft. It's so cozy. The material is so cozy. This would make the whole thing worth it to me just for this scrunchie, although I'm loving everything so far. But anyway, guys, that was 20. Here's 21. You see, guys, I have no patience. I just want to rip the whole page. You know, I just want to take the page and rip it off. Okay, here is a Clean Skin Gel Cleanse and Tone. Oh, I can't wait to try this because I do need a new cleanser. I've pretty much used up all my cleansers, you guys. So I'm glad to try that one out next. And then, what day was that? That was day 21. Here is day, just see, this one might be empty because the day 22 was on this side and this, oh, it didn't. Okay, I thought it might have fallen out. But it's a black Sephora brand eyeliner, so can't wait to try that. So that was day 22. And then here's day 23. It's a gel nail polish from Sephora. So you can wear this beautiful polish, the gel top coat, the red lip, the makeup. Oh my gosh, there is so much fun stuff here, guys. And then, is that everything? That was day 23. And then here is day 24. So in day 24 is this beautiful gua sha tool. So with this tool, you can do a gua sha treatment to your skin, which is going to help to puff your face, take down inflammation. You know, this stone actually does feel amazing. Believe it or not, I've never used a gua sha stone. I don't know why, because I'm so happy with my cleansing brushes. But I actually was just going to purchase one of these the other day at TJ Maxx, but you know, I just didn't. I'm so glad I didn't, because I got one in my Sephora advent calendar. It feels so nice. It feels just like a beautiful, I don't know if it's marble, but it feels really nice. Actually, it does feel like marble. So this is amazing. This whole advent calendar is absolutely amazing. Truly, $45. It is an over $100 value. And so I would definitely purchase it right away if you're interested in it, because these advent calendars sell out super fast. So I'll have it linked down below. It is only available at Sephora. If you are interested in picking one up for yourself or a loved one, definitely scoop one up as soon as possible, because they do sell out really fast. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today and checking out my Advent Calendar 2022 unboxing. Let me know if you would pick this box up. What are your guys' thoughts and opinions? Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, I love you.